Hi, in this video let me show you how to connect and how to use an external hard drive with your HP laptop. So let's get started. Most external hard drives like this one will come with a USB cable in the box. If you have a desktop a desktop hard drive, in that case you will also need to connect it to a power source. And again, it comes included in the box with a power cable. But these smaller hard drives don't require any power. You're going to take the USB cable, and if your HP laptop has USB type A ports, the way you see over here, well, simply connect it directly. If you have one of those newer HP laptop that only has USB type C ports, well, in that case, you will need an adapter, USB type A to USB type C. This computer does have one USB type C port, but it's on the other side, and I will not use it for this video. So as soon as you have connected the hard drive, you're going to see usually it has some lights telling you that it's active. On the laptop itself, there's a good chance you're going to get a message over here telling you that you have connected a drive, and you can click on it to see what's on it. If you don't get the message, you're going to click on the folder icon on the bottom of the screen, the File Explorer. This will open, and on the left side, you're going to go down, and under this PC, you should see your drive. Yours may have a different name. Click on it and you'll be able to see everything that is on it. Folders, videos, no matter what. Over here, my drive is empty. If you want to format the drive, and by formatting, I mean that it will delete absolutely everything that is on it. In case you want to start fresh, make sure you have a backup. Right click on your drive, select format. And from here, you're going to see how much space this drive has, which file system you want it formatted in, and also right over here you have the start button. Press OK. The formatting has started. It usually lasts a few seconds. It's completed. OK. Close this. I'll open back File Explorer. If you want to rename the drive you have connected, you can right click, select rename, and over here I can give this a new name. To transfer files between your HP laptop and this drive, simply find the file, whatever it is. Let's say if I go in downloads, I have this file over here. I will right click, okay, simply by clicking on the right side of my trackpad. I'll select copy. I'll then select my drive, right click, paste. And just like that, you can transfer files from your laptop to the drive and vice versa. At the end, once you are done, you can simply unplug it. And this is about it. Don't forget to unplug it once the transfer has finished. If not, it will corrupt the files. But overall, this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, comment down below, subscribe, like, and check my Amazon links if you want to get a hard drive for your HP laptop or any other accessories compatible with your HP laptop. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video.